Gonna try this combo on the Mission 1 Pro so I can use my mini receiver on my Saramonic Air SE. Alright, so now I got on the Saramonic Air SE. I'm using that adapter that I just showed you. And it looks like it might be kind of high, but that's a setting that I can change within the Saramonic Air. But yeah, so now I can finally use my mini microphones like this one. I can use it with the Voya Mini, and have a really light, compact setup. I'll leave the link below for the actual cord that I'm using. It's not as short as I wanted it to be. It's like, I'd say like 6 inches, so it sticks out still a little further than I wanted to. But I can use my mic, so I can show you like perspectives like this without having the mic to my face. And I can even lead you on the wall. Nope. Keep hitting the exposure on the back of the screen. Okay. See, so now I'm walking along. And I can also turn on my noise reduction. Maybe that cut down on some of this Manhattan noise. And not my voice. See what's happening in here? Nothing much. But yeah, there we go. So this is the Mission 1 using the Saramonic Air SE. Like I said, the Saramonic Air fits fine because the receiver connector is a lot longer, so it'll fit right in. I do have a pass-through door coming tomorrow. I think I got the one from Tellison. I think that one was like $10. They had another one from Newer. That one, it's about the same price. I think it was $12. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. The sun's kind of bright up there, so I think I'm shining up here and I turn dark. Alright, but either way, I'll put the links down below. How do you like the sound? See the meters on the screen. That's cool. And I guess we're good. With the salute, I'm out. Put it here, you can see me. I'm holding it down by my hip.
Stand up! They call me Brooklyn Jimmy. Lens on the city. Got the drone up high. The footage stay gritty. I paint the bird.